Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review of one of my current favorite products, that is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, I've almost finished half of it and this is my second tube. It says it's an instant solution for pimples, wrinkles and glowing fair skin. Recently I went to a store near my house and it had Patanjali products, and I was very happy because I've heard a lot about Patanjali products and how good they are, how cheap and affordable they are. So Patanjali is owned by Baba Ramdev. Baba Ramdev is a famous yoga He's a famous yoga trainer here in India. So this is his own brand. So it comes in a clear tube like this. You can see the amount of product that is there inside it, and I really like the packaging. So it comes in a clear packaging with an orange top. So it's a flip open cap and it shuts really tight, so it's travel friendly as well. This is 150 ml of product and it retails for 80 rupees. If I'm not wrong, they have a smaller version of this as well, which retails for around 60 rupees. So behind the packaging it says the base material contains a vitamin E, permitted color and Sugandha Dravya. So that means, so I guess Sugandha Dravya means it's got some scent to it. It also says it's useful in roughness and dryness of the skin. It removes dark spots and increase skin glow. So I am a big fan of aloe vera. Back home I used to use fresh aloe vera. I used to use the aloe vera from the plant because I had an aloe vera plant and it used to work really well for my skin and hair. It was one of the best. So aloe vera was one of the best things which I've ever used for skin and hair. It makes your hair really smooth. It makes your skin glowing. It removes pigmentation and it's really so aloe vera is really good for your skin. So I have been using this for around 2 months. There are different ways of using it. I use it on my skin. I use it as a nighttime skincare routine. I also use it as a hair pack. So there are many ways of using it. I'm planning to do a video on how I use it for my skin and hair as well. Do let me know if you guys are interested to know that. So it comes in a gel-like consistency like this, and it has permitted colors to it. It has a hint of green color to it, a gel-like consistency, and it blends nicely into your skin. So how I use it is I use it as a skincare during night. I clean my face and then I put my serum. There are times when I don't use my night cream or my night oil. At that time I use this one on my face and it really makes a difference. The next day I wake up with clean glowing skin. I also use it when I am a little bit tan. When I go out in the sun I get sunburn and I get tan. So to remove the tan, it's very useful. If you use this in your face pack, it removes your tan and it gives you nice glowing skin. It also removes spots from your face, which is really nice. I had the small spots like brown spots because of sun damage, and I have been using this for around 2 months and it has faded my brown spots. So it has faded my brown spots a lot, which I'm really happy about. And the other way which I use aloe vera is I use it as a hair care, and it works really well for me. There are times I love oiling my hair, but there are times where I use it as a hair pack. So what I do is I just put this all over my hair and wash it off, and trust me guys, it makes my hair really smooth, because I have tried a lot of hair packs, a lot of treatments for my hair, but the frizziness of my hair keeps coming back. but whenever I use this one, it makes my hair really smooth, really manageable, and my hair doesn't look as frizzy as how it used to be. So right now, since I'm not staying at home, I don't have access to the aloe vera plant. I'm really happy that Patanjali has introduced this aloe vera gel, and it has really worked for me, and I'm really loving this product. If you guys are looking for a nice affordable aloe vera gel which works really well for your face and hair, I would highly suggest you to go for this. In my next video, I will be talking about different ways of using it for your face as well as your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and do let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.